Dear student, good morning. This is Shailesh Kumar. Today we will simplify the fraction. Now, there is a question before you that there is a bracket and is a mixed fraction there out of the bracket. So, how will we simplify this question? First of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We can make it orally 2, 5. 5 multiply 2, that is 10, and 10 plus 4, 14. 14 by 5 plus 10 multiply 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 over 10. So first of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 multiply 1, 2, plus 1, 3. Therefore, this become 3 by 2. Now, first of all, we will solve the fraction, operation under the bracket as per the BODMAS rule. So, here we take the LCM 5 and 10. The LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. As we know that 10 is a factor of 5 and this is greater, therefore LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 10. Now 10 divided by 5, that is 2, and 2 multiply 14. Now 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 13 multiply 1, 3 by 2. Now 28 plus 13 over 10 multiply 3 by 2. Now 28 plus 13, that is 41. 41 over 10 multiply 3 by 2. Now 41 and 2 or 10, there is no common factor between numerators and denominators. So we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. 3 and 12 and 20. Now after this we will convert into mixed fraction as we done in the earlier questions. 20 and 3. Clear? Twenty into 6, 20 into 6, 120, 120, 20 into 6, 120, and 120 plus 3, 123. Therefore, this is the required answer. In this way, we will solve this question. Now, we are on the second question. Here, we apply the rule BODMAS, BODMAS. In the BODMAS rule, multiplication is first and the addition is after that. So, first of all, we will multiply the terms. Multiply is here. So, we will firstly multiply these two terms and these two terms. After applying the multiplication and getting the answer, we will add those answers. Now, 6 multiply 1, 6 plus 5, 11. This is 11 by 6. 2, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. Here 6 multiply 1, 6 plus 5, 11 by 6. 4 multiply 1, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. Now 11 multiply 11, 121, and 6 multiply 4, 64. 24. 11 multiply 7, 77, and 6 multiply 4, again 24. Now here the denominator is same, so their LCM is 24 and we will add the numerators. 8, 198 and 24. Now you can see that both are divisible by 2, so we will divide them by 2. 198 by 24, again write for the cutting. Now if you divide 198 by 2, then this is the answer, and if we divide 24 by 2, then our answer is this. Now here 1 and 2, this is the sum of 1 and 2 is 3, and 9 and 9, 18. 18 and 3 both are divisible by 3. So if you divide this by 3, then your answer is 33, and if you divide this by 3, then your answer is 4. So we come to 33 by 4. Now after division, we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. In this way, we can solve these questions. Now, in this question, first of all, we will solve the bracket. In the bracket, there are two mixed fraction, and we have to subtract them. So, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. We will apply cross multiplication here. 1, 3 3s are 9, and 4 1s are 4, and 3 4s are 12. Clear, students? Here 3 3s are 9, cross multiplication. 4 multiply 1, that is 4. The subtraction symbol is there, and 1 is outer. 1, 9 minus 4, that is 5, and 12. Multiply 3 by 4. Now this is 5 and 1 by 12. Multiply 3 by 4. Now we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. 12 into 12, 12 into 1, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 12, multiply 3 by 4. So 3 4s are 12. Now 17 over 4 multiply 4, 16. This is the improper fraction. Therefore, we will convert this in mixed fraction. 16, 1, 1. Now here 4 multiply 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. 2 multiply 3 multiply 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3 minus. 4 multiply 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4. Multiply 1 by 5. Now here we will see, is there any common factor that can be cancelled? Yes. Here 5 will be cancelled with 5. In first part there is no common factor. So we will multiply 13 by 7 and 4 by 3. Minus 1 by 4. Now 13 7 the 91, and 4 3s are 12, minus 1 by 4. Now here we will take the LCM of 12 and 4. The LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So we draw a division bar. 12 divided by 12, that is 1. 1 multiply 91. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 3 multiply 1. 91 minus 3 over 12. 91 minus 3, 88. 88 by 12. No. 88 will be divided by 12. Now here you see that 88 and 12 both are divisible by 2. So if you divide this by 2, then we will get 44. If we and this will become 6. Again these are divisible by 2. So 22 and 3. Therefore this become 22 by 3. Now if we convert this into mixed fraction, then now we will have to divide 22 by 3. So denominator is 3 and the remainder will be there, and the quotient will be on left hand side. So this is the answer, and this is the rough work. In this way you can solve these type of questions where the bracket is involved and the other operations are there.